We know that young children think and behave differently from adults. They speak in their own way, interact with others uniquely, and see the world through their own eyes. What makes them happy or sad can be surprising and depends on their age. Their interests and what motivates them depends on their stage of development. You may have noticed that they have a strong need to crawl or run, yell, and play with friends. Without really understanding how young children think, feel, and behave, adults may find it hard to talk to them, comfort them, or help them solve problems. Child development includes various areas or domains. Physical, cognitive, and social and emotional development are the main domains, and all three are interconnected. Together, they shape a child's overall development. Let's talk about each developmental domain for children aged birth to 5. Physical development involves the growth and changes in a child's body, including gross and fine motor skills. Gross motor skills include larger movements like crawling, walking, and running, while fine motor skills involve more precise movements like drawing or picking up small objects. Physical development also includes nutrition and bodily changes, such as their height and weight. Cognitive development, often referred to as intellectual development, involves how children think, learn, and figure things out. For example, a child might start to recognize shapes and colors, remember where they left a toy, or figure out how to put together a simple puzzle. It's about how they understand and remember the world around them, as well as how they solve problems, like finding a way to get a toy that's out of their reach. Cognitive development also includes language development, which is how children learn to understand and use words. This can involve recognizing familiar words, pointing to objects when named, or starting to combine words into short sentences. The third domain is social and emotional development. Social development includes the child's ability to interact and form meaningful relationships or bonds with other children and adults. For example, a child might learn to share toys with a friend or wait patiently for their turn on the playground swing. Emotional development, on the other hand, refers to the child's ability to recognize how they're feeling, express those feelings in an appropriate manner, and manage their emotions effectively. For instance, a child might learn to say, "I'm sad," instead of throwing a tantrum, or take deep breaths to calm down when they're upset. These three domains are all connected to each other. What do we mean by this? For example, as children learn to walk, they also start exploring more, which helps them think and learn new things, and it also helps them feel more confident in playing with other children. So progress in one area helps them grow in other areas too. This is why it's important for parents and other adults in the child's life to support the whole child. By recognizing and nurturing each developmental domain, physical, cognitive, and social-emotional, we can help children thrive in all aspects of their lives. To learn more about children's developmental domains and the milestones for each domain, see the tables on Canvas.